From class 11th physics, we are going to do a very important unit which is kinematics, and particularly our topic is equation of motion, and the subtopic we are going to cover in this video is introduction to equation of motion. Some important pre-knowledge we should have: simple differentiation and integration, displacement, velocity and acceleration. Now, function of equation of motion. So what does an equation of motion do basically? It gives mathematical results of the response of a physical system. You should know physical system is nothing but a portion of physical universe chosen for analysis. We can say equation of motion tells us the behavior of physical system. For an example, when a ball is dropped from a height on Earth's surface, then time taken and maximum velocity can be determined by equation of motion. So equation of motion are the mathematical relation among velocity, displacement, acceleration and time. List of equations of motion. There are three equations of motion is applied in physics widely. They are v equal to u plus at, where v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is acceleration and t is time taken by the particle to reach its final velocity from initial velocity. Second equation of motion is s equals ut plus half at square, and third equations of motion is v square minus u square equal to as. Here s is displacement. Another equation of motion can also be derived from second equation of motion, which is s equal to ut plus half at square, is s nth equal u plus half a 2n minus 1. Here n is time, which can be measured in second. So we have understood from this video, equations of motion relate displacement, velocity, acceleration and time.